in the stores, the red panda in the stores in his section in my house. And this plus 2 and 1, 2 and a plus. And the in is my birthday. As I said my father in my birthdays, happy birthday to you. And I was to you, and I sing happy birthday, and I show you to the end, to the sky, and I was 2 plus 2, and I go to the school, and my bounty, and I was what was 2, and I study in my Father's Day. And I watched that. And I was 2 because plus 2 in a store is alive. I must to go. May I Steve, it's my birthday and Tito's birthday because happy birthday to you. There's too. And it's this Luca, and I
Tell them the story of Tell them the story of Red Panda. Come on. What's the story of Red Panda?
Yeah. And the red panda in the story, and it said with the plus 2 and with to the end. And my birthday come be happy, and I was to the mermaid in the end because I'm plus 2 and you and me because I look and something and again I must to rest and I resting. And the fun and the sea and the forest. And to the end is the store. And actually the red panda say and the red panda. Because I made a plus 2 because I used to go to the school. And it got me into the school that time because it's early and it's night. I'm studying you and I go to the beach and I'm my store because I'm so happy because I do my name. Actually, I'm my stores in the with today, and I store with me, and I go to the end. Because the red panda go to the ends too. And actually the little books in here. And because I do something. And I plus 2 and me happy and my child is saying my car and it's a buy because I come to bed I'm the little because I saw a dry and I grown up and today is my birthday and my sick and I'm okay because I'm you. I'm today it's me. It's my birthday. And because happy birthday to Tito.